genes of judgment. Judge me once, shame on you. Judge me twice, shame on me. Judge me a third time, shall your opinion set you free? Cause you haven't walked a day in these jeans. These jeans have witnessed some of my life's most painful things. They've witnessed what a past of self-destruction brings. We walk down many of the same sidewalks of broken dreams and share the same starving pockets of silver and copper means. During those times I don't recall seeing you there, and how'd you leave me to remember your lies, opinions and stares? But see, me and these jeans have one thing in common. We are not so common, in fact we are the only pair. So forgive us, for we know not what we do or why it was done. Don't hold holes and rugged tears against us. Don't judge us on our appearance alone, only to question us and find out that we too are like you. Once perfectly produced with fine fibers and pure intentions, cut out, molded and patterned to the beholder's perfection. So see, I'm a little caught off guard by this constructive criticism that you mentioned, cause you have to share my addictions to understand my imperfections. And non-judgmental conversation is the only way we'll ever make connections. But you choose to know of me and not of my journey. Could you have walked my path more purely? Surely you can't expect me to give those first words that you said to me, but I forgave them. That the back of a woman's leg should be kept covered. And I have to ask if you were so absorbed in the clothes being worn, if you even heard that my words were what were actually torn. And you think that my appearance should be as well thought out as the message I project. Yet I think you're so immaculately dressed to hide a past you protect. I am me. I have no choice, nor can I be anybody but me, myself, and I. And I have nothing to hide, as I may at times project in my appearance. Keep in mind when you criticize me that I am fearless. You are addressing a glass powerhouse who throws mountains of judgment at itself to test its strength and resistance. And I build myself right back up on the same foundation with persistence. Minus the negative bullshit that previously existed. They are an act of strength, and just so you know why I wear the pants, it's to remind me of who I was and never to be that person again. They remind me of change from where I am now to where I have been. They're a monument of self-evolution, a stepping stone of a past execution. And as much as I appreciate your contribution to the jeans, I advise you to know more about your material before you try to sew these seams.